Christ. Holy cool. She got rear-ended.
She's walking back to her parking spot. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! She's hit him with her car! This old lady just ran this dude over. Oh my god. I'm not kidding.
Do you need to go? It wasn't my mom, right?
Hold on. Are you I'm glad we were the first ones at the urgent care. Did you see how many people came in?
megachurch, Jamal Bryant, traveled to Biloxi, Mississippi to be the keynote speaker during the service.
I bet you $1,000,000 if it was 5 black boys and 1 white boy on the boat. By now, there would have been a war, there would have been a seizure, because America doesn't believe that Black Lives Matter, and defending, we want to ask the question, what happened to our brother?
Few details during the investigation, and the Congressional Black Caucus is now demanding a federal probe into the case. Jackson County District Attorney Angel Myers.
This work for the United Nations without remuneration, which indicates our commitment to the position. So we should not be penalized for doing our job properly. In my case in particular, I've already announced publicly to the President of the Human Rights Council that I'm retired. The U.S. says their goal in imposing these actions are not penalizing people, but getting them to change
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover